really kind of what underpins our modularity and I guess our ability to have a really rapid prototyping process that is, design, deliver, and manufacture. But at the same time, it's like it forms our knowledge, know-how, and IP to rapidly prototype something or develop a working product in field in about anywhere between 6 to 12 weeks is about a standard project. And that's really around the fact that it's all like Lego. So every component is a module. Every component is designed to work with every other component. And essentially what we're doing is reconfiguring those things, but really, again, understanding what the customer's outcome is and looking at the most practical solution to make that work.